This is NickRants, where nothing said is personal and laughter is guaranteed. Don't be a and enjoy the video. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey, what you saying, guys? Welcome to NickRants. Hey. Long time no see. I know, it's been a very long time. It's been forever since I seen you guys. I think this is one of the longest breaks I ever took, and I'm telling you guys, I didn't mean to take this long of a break. This break was shed long, alright? The first month I had someone staying with me. Yeah, just gave my house out, basically, because they needed somewhere to stay, so I didn't have time for videos. Second month I had to work a lot. I had to work on a lot of stuff around the house. I had to change my floors, I had to change my walls. That's why if you look different. It's actually cleaner. Yeah, RIP to that one. Still, that was some good memories on that board. But yeah, it's okay. Now we have Gremlins, Walking Dead, and Stranger Things. Three things that I have never watched. Don't come at me for that, alright? I know they're fire, but I've not watched them. Then the second month, but the third month, I was really sick. I can't even lie. Past a little bit, I've been pretty sick, but I had two glands swollen. Like these two over here were big. I had like this big mark on my lip because I cut myself, and it was bad. It was really bad when I cut myself on my lip, alright? That sucked. That was terrible, alright? Like it was terrible. Either way, I'm back now, and I'm back to stay. I know I've said that a million times, but I'm gonna say it 1,000,001 time, because that's the one that matters. And today I'm gonna be going over my hair routine on basically how I make it look proper. If you look at it right now, this just looks stupid. It's because I just woke up. I move a lot in my sleep, so my hair is wild. I know a lot of people can relate to that. When you wake up, your hair is wild. I've also had this perm for 9 months because Canada wants to be stupid. Doug Ford and Trudeau, whatever they want to be, they want to put us in lockdown constantly. Like, we've been in lockdown for a year and a half. I have not had a hairstylist place open for a year and a half. Okay, well, that's a lie, because they opened up it last summer for a little bit. That's how I got my other perm. But basically, it's been 9 months since I last got my hair done. So basically, a good amount of it's straight now. So that sucks, you know? So screw them, but fuck all of them, alright? Anyone who lives in Ontario, Toronto, knows. Fuck those two. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the 3 products I use that makes my hair look wonderful. So like, you know, like before I made like how to style a lazy perm, I guess this is like how to style a non-lazy perm. Gotcha. So number 1, this one's been in our channel for a while. This one is Marc Anthony Curling Cream. This is good. Shea Moisture is good. Can't choose 50-50. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Depends how your hair reacts. Number 2, another Marc Anthony Volumizing Coconut Beach Waves. So this is more for like the straight hair underneath, because like I said, my hair's been growing for 9 months, so there's been straight hair growing for about 9 months underneath my curls. So what this does is it kind of puts some waves to those, kind of makes it blend in better. It also makes the other curls a lot smoother and a lot fluffy. And then last but not least, we got, actually probably least useful out of all 3, but this one is another Marc Anthony product. This one is like an oil. It's what you put in your roots to kind of help it not frizz and helps with damage. I'm gonna show you guys how to use all 3 of these, but you gotta shower, alright? Because if you don't shower, these products won't really work well together. If you don't want to shower, go follow my other video where it says how to style a lazy perm. That one's easy. Do that. But yeah, I'm gonna go wet my hair so you guys can come back to something proper. Alright guys, well, I'm back from the shower. You can see my hair is wet. It doesn't look like how it used to be. I'm gonna show you guys what to do. So I've waited about 5 minutes. I have like dried my hair with the t-shirt. So I squeezed with the t-shirt, scrunched a bit so it's not dripping dry, it's just damp. And then this is where it all gets started. Alright, so first thing you guys are gonna use is this. Alright, this is gonna be the first. You could also use this at night if you feel like your hair is damaged or anything. Just put a couple drops in at night and it'll help with it in the morning. And then you wear your bonnet. Beautiful. So number 1, you wanna like shake out your hair kinda so it's like, not all you guys are gonna be able to do this, especially with fresh perms. Like your hair's not gonna be able to fall down straight like this, but I can because a lot of my hair is straight. So you wanna put these right in the roots. So put a couple drops in there. And then you wanna shake it around. This is for the roots mainly. And there, that's step number 1. Now, going to be doing what I usually do when I promote people in my videos who give good messages and give good motivation. Yeah, I'm gonna start that next video again, so if you guys enjoyed, please tell me. I'd love it. If you guys have any questions, leave it down below. I answer in less than 5 minutes, and I can guarantee that. Bye!
Your eyes tell me you won't be there.